Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the subscriptions that I get every month. First off is the Glossybox. So this is the November Glossybox. I'm going to open it for you guys. As usual, it has a leaflet of all the items in the box. Take the ribbon off. So first off, we have the London Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is the full size palette and this retails for £10. Has really nice shades in there. I love the shade. It's just gorgeous. Just swatched up for you guys. This one here, oily shade. That's this one here. Swatched just right there. You can create a nice eye look with this shade. So you can create a daytime look for autumn. It's got both matte and pale essence shades. It's got warm shades for autumn season. I love the fact that it's travel size. The only thing I don't like is that they don't have a mirror. I've never heard of this brand before, but they don't have a mirror in there, so that will be really hard. You're gonna have to bring your own mirror with you. But it's a travel size. Well, it's not travel size, but it's pocket size. You can basically travel with this. The next item is the Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick. This is in the shade Girlfriend. Retails for £18. I'm gonna try and swatch that for you guys. Such a nice color. Oh, it smells so good. I think I'm gonna put some on. I love Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes and highlighters, lip products from them. Really excited to try it out. It's a liquid matte lipstick. I have liquid lipstick on already, but I'm gonna just top it up with this. Ooh. Look at that. It's a nude color, but it's got a pink undertone to it. This looks gorgeous. It's transparent green finish. It's cruelty free, which is good, and vegan friendly, so that's really good. The next product in here is Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. It's a dry shampoo, so I can put some in my hair. Ooh, so that smells good. I've never actually heard of Living Proof, but it's really a nice dry hair shampoo to try out. This is on the travel side, £10 for this. This is Contact the Microderma Regenerator. This retails for £6.50. This is the Deluxe Mini. The full size, which is 120ml, retails for £26.70. It gently exfoliates, polish, and polishes your skin. Powerful antioxidants, also protect cells and fight free damage to leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated. It's cruelty free, fragrance free too, so it's a 2-in-1 cleanser. The next item in the box is Palmer's Cocoa Butter Original Solid Formula. Basically it says that in this weather your skin needs major moisturizers. This award-winning formula melts into a silk oil application. It really is a little wonder. Bursting with vitamin E and cocoa butter. It moisturizes dry skin and lips, smooths marks and scars, and even nourish dry hair. This is a deluxe mini as well, and it's 30ml. The size is worth £1.99, and full size, which is 100ml, is worth £4.15, which is really good because you can use it for your hair, you can use it for your lips, and also you can use it for your body. It's a good price, I mean, for the full price. I wouldn't mind trying this. I've tried the Palmer's Stretch Marks moisturizer before back in the day, a couple of years ago. It didn't really do anything for me. I used it for my scar and also used it for stretch marks. I didn't see any improvement. I wasn't consistent with it, so I didn't really see any improvement. But I would love to try this out and see how it goes. And last but not least, there was an extra treat in the box. The extra treat is a perfume. Sample size perfume, which is by Chloe. I'm guessing this is a winter perfume. I'm just gonna read what it says here. So this is Nomade. I don't know if I'm saying it properly, but it's called Nomade. It's a combination of oak mist and freezer that captures the words of a woman open to the beauty of the world. Full size, which is 30ml, is £47. I don't think I've ever tried any Chloe perfume before, so I'm gonna try it out. I'm a collector of perfumes. If you know me, you would know. I collect perfumes like I collect makeup. It smells good. I love it. For £40, I would wear this. I'm not sure if it's eau de... Okay, it's eau de perfume. It's gonna stay on your skin much longer. Oh, it smells really good. So this is gonna be my November perfume. Sorted! Thanks Glossybox. The next box to unbox is Birchbox. I had to wait a while just for this box to come in. I was thinking, where is my box? Like, what's going on? Because it wasn't shipped early. Glossybox was here like the first week of November. This one came in just this week. It's just very late. So I'm gonna unbox this. Matchbox has collaborated Disney, Nutcracker, and the 4 Realms. So I like the packaging, it's nice. Love the gold and the red and the pink. I'm guessing this is a theme from the movie. Let's see what products are in here. I've been waiting for too long for. So open it up and everything falls out. Got the leaflet as usual. The Nutcracker is in cinemas now. So good. Anyways, let's get back to it. I'm gonna tell you what it is and try and read what it does. The first item in the box is Sun and Sky. So this is Purifying Paint Clay Mask. So it's an Australian brand. Detoxify and brighten. So it's a face mask. It's 4-in-1 formula. Apply thin layer to clean skin, leave to dry. It will turn foam pink to white and remove with water. There's a travel size. The full size, it just says it over here. It retails for £39.99. And the next item here is Polar Night Cream. This is a travel size. The full size retails for £32. Basically, it's a great night cream in a pot. This moisturizer works to brighten your skin overnight. You will wake to a plump, healthy looking complexion. Just apply generally to clean skin before bed. I like using night cream and night mask, so I can't wait to try this out. The next item is Monica Doll Cosmetics, and you could actually pick either Pixie or Enchanted. I picked Enchanted, so this is in the shade Enchanted. Diamond Dark Roller Shadow, and this is the full size. Retails for £15. I'm gonna swatch it for you. More of a gold eyeshadow, so you can just roll it on your eyes and off you go. Or you can use it as a highlighter. I would use it as a multitasker. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna put it on my cube as well because I've rolled too much on. Oh, okay. That's how it looks. And it's blended in. You can use it as a highlighter or an eyeshadow and use it on your lips. Okay. The next product here is Dr. Pawpaw, the original Flare Balm. Fragrance free, stays here. Apply a small amount of Dr. Pawpaw to provide relief of dry, irritated skin. Moisturize nails, cuticles, dry, cracked skin such as hands, heel, and elbow. Don't leave home without it. So it's a multitasker. So you can use it on your lips, you can use it on your elbows, you can use it on your nails, your cuticles, your elbows. Did I say elbow? Why not? You can use it on your heels. You can use it as a hand cream. Even though it's a full size, it looks like a travel size, quite tiny. Retails for £3.95. The last item on this is Beige Self-Heating Eye Mask. When you're struggling to switch off, reach for this relaxing face mask infused with smooth calming jasmine. A thin layer of iron film inside the mask, entwined with oxygen molecule in the air, causing the mask to heat up for soothing results and relax. I've never had a self-heating mask before, so the real cost is obviously £3.50. I know it comes in, this is just one pack and one piece only. In the set, checked online, basically it's 5 in a pack, and I think it was like about £15 or something for that. I get to try it out. I also showed you a little sneak peek of what's going to be coming in December box, so you get to pick one or the other. Because I'm now a VIP with Birchbox, I got a free item, pencils in there if you want. I will be storing some makeup in here when I'm traveling. And says congratulations, so I've become a VIP Birchboxer. I got that as a freebie, and now I can buy items on Birchbox for 50% off. So after your 6th box, you become a VIP automatically. You get a free item, and you're always going to be the first to pick the next freebie that you get with your next box. And also you get 15% off any item on the Birchbox website. A few things that I've been looking at, I'll be buying and trying out. 15% is actually not bad. It's really not bad. So thanks Birchbox. That's everything guys, and if you want to know how I created this look, I will be inserting a link in this video to head over and see how I created this look. Okay, So that's everything. I hope you guys have a nice time. I hope you guys are enjoying the November season, the autumn season, wherever you are. Enjoy it, and happy Thanksgiving, guys.